Hi team, this short presentation will be about my justification for the design choices I made when creating the identity theft infographic we needed for our website. So let's get started. So the first design choice I made was the principle of proximity, which means aligning related design elements together so the viewer will perceive them as one visual unit. I applied this rule of proximity throughout the whole infographic. Notice how there are 4 main sections. Each section is grouped together with its corresponding text and data, and is separated by a horizontal line. This creates an overall clean experience for the infographic and makes it easier for the audience to interpret the information being presented. The next design choice I incorporated with my infographic was alignment. Alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page, but arranged relative to a line or margin. I used 2 types of alignment in this infographic, horizontal and vertical. You can see both being used in each section of the document, allowing it to be read kind of like a book. Each section is meant to be read from top down and then left to right. Top down, left to right, left to right, top down, left to right, left to right. This familiar design style allows the audience to quickly recognize how the information in the document flows. The principle of closure is also utilized in this infographic. The use of closure reduces the complexity needed to convey visual information while also actively engaging the viewer. This design choice can be seen in the use of the icons and images in the infographic to represent a specific object or subject. In this case, some of my isotypes are icons. So a credit card representing credit and debit card fraud, a photo ID representing driver's license theft, mail theft, representing a mail letter, etc., etc. This closure allows me to use less text in the infographic, which improves the overall appearance of my infographic while also keeping the audience engaged. The last design choice I want to talk about deals with the principles of color theory, specifically with color harmony and contrast. Color harmony means the visual is experienced as presenting a sense of order through the color choices. In our infographic, I decided to go with a solid shade of blue for the background color. This shade of blue really helps with the contrast of the white on the text. All the text is white in the document, and black is the accent color, which is anything other than the blue background or the white text. Black is also included in some of the icons as well. This color scheme creates a great contrast between the background and text, making the overall infographic easier on the eyes. And that just about wraps everything up. Thank you all for watching my presentation. If you have any questions, just let me know.